So who is Amy Barrett? Well, at the moment of this recording, she's one on a list of 5 potential Supreme Court nominees to replace Justice Kennedy. CNN actually has a short list that says she's the mother of 7. She's in her mid-40s, so that's a good age for a Supreme Court nominee. She's currently a judge on the Court of Appeals for the 7th Circuit. She's a Roman Catholic and reliably conservative, especially on social issues. So from what it looks like, just a quick overview, she seems to be your standard, evangelical conservative. So for conservatives, especially evangelical conservatives, there's a lot to like about this person. She's a very good image for Trump. If Trump were to pick her, she provides a very good image. It looks really good for him. So that's a reason that people are suggesting that she might be the one to pick. He's already interviewed her, again, one of 5 people. I believe he's interviewed 7 people total now, and then narrowed the list to 5, which she's currently part of. So where is she on the issues? Well, I haven't found too much on specific minor issues, but in general, she appears to be a strict constructionist, so she interprets the Constitution as the Founding Fathers would, so that's something both conservatives and libertarians would like. She stood against the Supreme Court's decision to uphold the Affordable Care Act, that's Obamacare, as constitutional. So again, something else Republicans and conservatives and people on the right generally would like. In another case, she was against making it mandatory for employers to pay for contraceptives for women. I agree with her on that. It seems like most people would agree with her on that, except maybe progressives and feminists. As for Roe v. Wade, which is a big topic right now, especially because we're discussing new SCOTUS nominations. So Roe v. Wade, that's always the big thing. Will it be repealed? Are people going to talk about repealing it? Well, a New York Times article claims she sees it as settled law, and she's probably not going to challenge it. Most likely, even though she, being a evangelical conservative, you'd think she would. She seems to take a moderately meh approach to it, as yeah, that's the past. I'm not too concerned with it. So if it came to a vote, I don't know which way she goes. She might vote. She might vote to overturn Roe v. Wade if it came to the vote. But I can't see her as being the crusader as for why hey, let's really get this. Let's try to repeal it. I can't see her being like that. So I'm just making a prediction now. I could be completely wrong. I don't think people that support Roe v. Wade have anything to worry about at all, especially if they pick her. I don't think this is much of an issue that people will try to repeal it. There's actually, in the same New York Times article, I found a good quote. She says, "The controversy right now is about funding. It's a question of whether abortions will be publicly or privately funded," which I agree with. That is the debate right now. It's not whether abortion should be legal. It's more, should the government fund it? Should the government fund it, or should it be privately funded? Not making the thing itself illegal. That seems to be the debate. So, as a libertarian, there's some stuff I like, and there's some stuff I'm a bit concerned about, but overall, she does seem to be again, the standard evangelical conservative. So, if you're a conservative, especially an evangelical one, she's great for you. Not so much for me. She's got some ups. Again, I like the strict constructionist approach of the Constitution, so I can see this as being a good thing. But I have some concerns, and again, if you're progressive on the left, maybe not so much. There's not too much to like about her, to be perfectly honest. She is very religious, and she seems to hold all the standard right-wing positions, at least the standard Republican position. So, but if you know anything more about her, please leave a comment below. Let me know what you know about her and whether you support it or not, whether you like her or don't like her. Like the video if you enjoyed. If you learned something, subscribe for more. It really helps me out a lot. And thanks for watching.